The first one is this one. True or false? I can catch up on sleep on the weekends. Do we get a check or do we get a red X, doctor?
False. X.
So that is not true at all. Okay, I have another true or false question, and let's see if we could take that up. What you eat affects your sleep, doctor?
Yes. Check.
Really? It does?
Yeah.
Like what?
Well, first of all, obvious ones are caffeine, alcohol. Caffeine is a culprit, and that would include chocolates. But actually, even our having heavy meals, high carbohydrate meals close to bedtime can affect sleep.
And last one, a glass of wine can help me relax and go to sleep. I'm just making that one up. That's me asking you.
Oh, you are? Okay. I'm going to give it an X, but it's a little more complex. So it actually does help people to fall asleep technically, but it will make the quality of the sleep worse and cause you to be more fragmented.
All right, so there you go. I think we have about 20 seconds. Any final advice so we can get our great Z's? 20 seconds, doctor.
1, strict sleep-wake schedule. 2, clean lifestyle, avoiding caffeine, alcohol, nicotine close to bedtime. Stress reduction, easier said than done, but staying as relaxed as possible. And if you really have significant sleep issues, consider seeing a sleep specialist, maybe needing a sleep study.
Thank you so much. Doctor, when would you say it's important that someone needs to see a doctor and get a little bit more help and maybe even some medication?
Well, and that's so subjective in terms of, one, how much is it affecting your social life and professional life? So really, when it comes to particularly insomnia, everybody again will have a little bit of fragmented sleep. But if it starts to affect you personally, socially, occupationally, it's a time to kind of consider seeing a professional. For people who have complicated medical histories, it can be important because getting good sleep has a lot to do with our overall health, particularly our cardiac and neurologic health. I would also say if we start to become excessively sleepy to the point that it's affecting our daytime functioning, that would be a reason. And lastly, if we start to feel that there are any breathing issues, excessive snoring, a bed partner saying that there's some breathing issues, witnessed apnea or stopping breathing at night, that's definitely a time to come for evaluation.
All right. And doctor, I wanted to show our viewers a quick story. It's just about a minute long from the Mayo Clinic on another way to get some sleep. Let's take a look.
Stress, anxiety, and a lack of sleep are problems that many people deal with every day. But there is one simple practice that can help: meditation.
Physically, people find they have improved mood, they sleep better, and better memory and concentration.
Maria Caselli, a group fitness instructor at Mayo Clinic, says the benefits of just a few minutes of meditation a day can help, especially with stress.
Meditation, which is a practice of focused concentration, bringing yourself back to the moment over and over again, actually addresses stress, whether positive or negative.
Meditation can also reduce the areas of anxiety, chronic pain, depression, heart disease, and high blood pressure.
The heart rate drops, your respiratory rate drops, there's decreased oxygen consumption, decreased carbon dioxide expired. The body is healing itself and starting repair.
Meditation can help us be less reactive and more responsive to events in our life.
And I hear a lot about those apps like Calm, where you just hear like the ocean and soft music. Are you for that? That's kind of like meditating, if you will.
Absolutely. So that's our whole society has changed so much in the past few decades. And that's our life now, we're more towards electronics. And so it's not a bad thing. We need to utilize technology, electronics in the right way. And so absolutely, there are many great apps out there for meditation, calming, relaxation. And as a neurologist, I would tell you it comes back to when we use methods of relaxation, including meditation, we're reducing what we call our autonomic responses. So fight or flight, where as humans, always have a balance of our system of adrenaline, go, 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 and rest. And so it's learning to balance those systems. And meditation is an extremely powerful way of training our brain and balancing these two opposing forces.